Hi everyone, you are welcome to the new year. Happy New Year, everybody. So let's solve for the value of m. First, we need to multiply this side. So we have m over 6 is equal to 6 multiplied by 6, right? Divided by m multiplied by m. So we have m over 6 is equal to 6 times 6 is same thing as 6 squared. Alright, and m times m is same thing as m squared. Now let us cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we are going to have 6 multiplied by 6 squared is equal to m multiplied by m squared. Now recall the law of exponents that states that when you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, that this is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay, so this is same thing as 6 to the power of 1, and this is same thing as m to the power of 1. So that simply means that this can be written as we pick one base, which is 6, and we add the powers to get 3, right? Is equal to the same thing here. We pick one base, which is m, and we add the powers to get 3. Now we have 6 to the power of 3 is equal to m to the power of 3. If we transfer this to this side of the equation, plus m to the power of 3 becomes minus m to the power of 3, right? So we have 6 to the power of 3 minus m to the power of 3 is equal to 0. Now we have an algebra identity here. Yes, the one that states that a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 is equal to a minus b multiplied by what? A squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now if this is the first time you're seeing this amazing channel, please click on the subscription button and turn on your notification bell. Yes, so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos daily, so tune in at your convenience to watch new uploads. And please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. All right, now from our a is equal to 6, while our b is equal to m. So we are going to expand this in this form. Okay, so if we expand this in this form, you have a minus b, that is 6 minus m, 6 minus m multiplied by a squared, which is 6 squared, plus ab, which is 6 multiplied by m, plus b squared, which is m squared. Okay, and this is equal to 0. So from here we have 6 minus m is equal to 0, and 6 squared, which is 36, okay, plus 6 multiplied by m, which is 6m, plus m squared, okay, is equal to 0. Now if we solve the left hand side, this side, we are going to have that 6 is equal to minus m will cross to become plus m. So that means that m is equal to 6, and this is the first value of our x, of our m. Now for this is a quadratic equation, so let's rearrange this in the right way. So in the right way, m squared is supposed to come first, followed by 6m, then we have 36 is equal to 0. Now at this juncture, to get this, we are going to use the quadratic equation formula. Yes, the formula that says that our m should be equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Okay, everything divided by 2a. Now in this case, our a is the coefficient of m squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of m, which is 6. And our c is our constant, which is 36. All right, so to get the value of m, we need to substitute these values into this particular formula. So our m then should be equal to minus b, which is minus 6, plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 6 squared, minus 4ac, that is 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 36. Okay, everything divided by 2a, that is 2 multiplied by 1. So we are going to have m to be equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 36 minus 4 multiplied by 36. Okay, everything divided by 2. Now let's continue. If this is the first time you are seeing this amazing channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos. We upload our videos daily. Yes, so please tune in at your convenience to watch our new uploads. Thank you very much, and also give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Now let's continue. So our m will be minus 6 plus or minus the square root of, now this is what they have in common. Let's factorize that out. Now, when this is divided by itself, we have 1. When this is divided by this, we have 4. Everything divided by 2. Okay, then we have that m is equal to -6 plus or minus square root of 36 multiplied by 1 minus 4 will give us -3. Okay, now everything divided by 2. So what we have is m is equal to -6 plus or minus. So we can actually open these brackets. Okay, so if we open this, we have root 36 multiplied by -3 is same thing as root 3 multiplied by root -1, right? Yes, root -3 is same thing as root 3 multiplied by root -1. Everything divided by 2. So our m is -6 plus or minus. Now square root of 36 will give us 6. So we have root 3, and square root of -1 is I divided by 2. So if we continue to solve, we are going to have that, excuse me, I really need to change my duster. I used to forget. Yes. So this is what we have. So we have that m is equal to, let's factorize 2 from here. So if we factorize 2, -6 divided by 2 is -3, plus or minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we have root 3i, everything divided by 2. So we have that m is equal to 2 is going to cancel 2. So we have -3 plus or minus 3 root 3i. So this becomes the second and the third value of our x, which is complex. These ones are complex roots. Now let's verify what we just solved. Let's use this side to verify. The verification is actually very short. Okay, so I'm going to use this side. So let's verify. If we verify, we have m over 6 is equal to 6 over m multiplied by 6 over m. And we got the first value of our m as 6. That is the real value we got. So you have 6 over 6 is equal to 6 over 6 multiplied by 6 over 6. Now 6 over 6 is 1. 6 over 6 is 1. 6 over 6 is 1. So we can see that 1 is equal to 1. So the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and this shows that what we solved is correct. Thank you so much for watching.